Hello, kids! I am a bib. I sit around baby's neck. When baby eats yummy food, I keep the clothes clean.
I help babies stay neat and happy.
Hello, friends. I am a fib. A fib means a small lie. When we tell a fib, it is not the truth, but telling the truth. Oops! Mr. Double!
Hello, kids. I am a jib. I am the front sail of a boat. When the wind blows, I help the boat move forward across the water. Hi, children. I am a nib. I am the pointed tip of a pen. I help you write letters and words neatly.
Hello, friends. I am a rib. I am inside your body. I protect your heart and lungs.
Hello, kids. I am a crib. I am a small bed for babies. I keep them safe and cozy while they sleep.
Hello, my little stars. Welcome back to our new session. Today, we are going to learn some very special IB words. Look carefully at the page in your book. This is the word bib, B-I-B, bib. A bib is worn by a baby around the neck to keep clothes clean while eating. Now look at fib, F-I-B, fib. A fib means a small lie. But children, we always try to tell the truth. Next is jib, J-I-B, jib. A jib is a sail on a boat that helps it move when the wind blows. Next word is nib, N-I-B, nib. The nib is the tip of a pen. It helps us write neatly in our notebooks. Now look at rib, R-I-B, rib. Ribs are inside our body. They protect our heart and lungs. This word is crib, is a small bed for babies. Babies sleep safely and comfortably in a crib. Wonderful work, children. Now trace all the IB words neatly on the page.
Hello, friends. We are 16 dolls. Count us carefully.
16 means we have 10 and 6 more. 10 plus 6 makes 16.
We are 16. Hello, kids. I am number 16. You can write me as 1 and 6 together. When 1 and 6 stand side by side, I become 16.
Hello, children. Welcome back to our new session. Look carefully at the page. Today we are learning number 16. Number 16. It is made of 2 digits, 1 and 6. When we write the number name of 16, we write S-I-X-T-E-E-N, 16. 16 means 10 and 6 more. When we add 10 and 6 together, we get 16. That is why we write 10 plus 6 equals 16. Look at the 16 dolls on the page. Let us count them together slowly and carefully from 1 to 16. Do not skip any number. Let's count the dolls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Very good, children. Now read the number 16 and say its number name 16 clearly.
Hello, kids. Look, she is hiding behind the tree.
Hid means to hide.
Hi, friends. I am mid, M-I-D, mid. Mid means middle. The red apple is in the middle. Hello, kids. I am rid, R-I-D, rid. Rid means to remove something. We get rid of waste by putting it in the dustbin.
Hello, friends. I am lid, L-I-D, lid. I cover things. I keep things covered and clean.
Hi, everyone. I am a kid, K-I-E, kid. A kid means a child. Hello, kids. I am did, D-I-D, did. Did is used to talk about something that already happened. I did my homework.
Hello, children. Welcome back to our new session. Look carefully at the page. Today we are learning ID word family. Read and trace the words neatly. The girl is behind the tree. She hid behind the tree. H-I-D, hid. Hid means to hide. Now see the apples. The red apple is in the middle. That is mid. M-I-D, mid. Mid means the middle. Look at the boy putting trash in the dustbin. He wants to get rid of the waste. R-I-D, rid. Rid means to remove something. Now see the dustbin cover. This is called a lid. L-I-D, lid. A lid covers and closes something. Look at the small boy in the picture. He's a kid. K-I-D, kid. A kid means a child. Read the last word, D-I-D, did. Did is used when we talk about something that already happened. Very good, children. Now read all the ID words again. Hid, mid, rid, lid, kid, did. And trace them neatly in your notebook.
Hello, kids. I am 17. I am made with 1 and 7. Hello, kids. Look, we are 17 balls. You can play with us.
Hello children, welcome back to our new session. Today we are going to learn number 17. The number 17. It is made of 2 digits, 1 and 7. When we read 1 and 7 together, we say 17. Now look at the colorful balls on the page. Let us count them slowly and carefully from 1 to 17. Do not skip any number. Let's start count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Very good children. There's 17 balls on the page. Children, I hope you understand this chapter.
It's such a wonderful thing. We have 4 seasons: summer, rainy, winter, and spring.
We wish the weather to be cooler. Hello, friend. Look, we are on beachside. In summer, many people go to the beach.
Children enjoy sand play at the beach during summer.
Summer is fun!
During hot summer, children enjoy water play to feel cool.
In summer, we use an umbrella to protect ourselves from the hot sun.
Hello children, welcome back to our new session. Today we are going to learn about season and our subtopic is summer season pre. We have 4 seasons: summer, rainy, winter and spring. Each season is special in its own way, but today we will focus on summer. Look at the beach picture. You can see the sun in the sky, the sea, and a boat on the water. Many people visit the beach in summer. Children enjoy sand play and water play during summer. We also use an umbrella to protect ourselves from the hot sun. I hope you understand the summer season lesson. Keep observing the seasons around you.
Hello, kids! In summer season, it is hot and sweaty. Our body feels warm and we start sweating. Yeah, I'm all sweaty. Hi, kids! In summer season, hot winds blow. Woo! Can you feel the warm wind on your face? Hello, kids! Look at me in the sky. In summer season, it is very sunny and hot. I shine very bright and make the day warm.
Hello children, welcome back to our new session. Today we are going to learn about the topic summer season and we will see the weather during summer. Children, look at the first picture on the page. It shows that during the summer season, it is hot and sweaty. Because the weather is very hot, our body starts sweating. Now look at the second picture on the page. You can see the bright sun. In the summer season, it is very sunny and hot. Look at the third picture on the page. The trees are moving. This shows that in the summer season, hot winds blow. The warm air moves fast. I hope you understand the 3 pictures on this page and the weather of the summer season.
Hello, kids! I am Mango. I grow on a mango farm in summer season.
Hello, kids. I am Ice Cream. I am cold and yummy. In summer season, you eat me to feel cool and happy. Hello, kids. I am Juice. I am fresh and sweet. In summer season, you drink me to stay fresh and active.
Hello kids, I'm Faluda. I'm cold and tasty. In summer season, you drink me and feel very cool.
Hello, kids! I am Watermelon. I am juicy and sweet. In summer season, you eat me and feel cool.
Hello, kids! I am Coconut Water. I am natural and very refreshing. In summer season, you drink me to stay cool.
Hello, kids! We are soft drinks. We are cold and fizzy. In summer season, people drink us to feel cool.
Hello, kids. I am Cold Water. I am very important in summer season. You should drink me again and again to stay healthy and cool.
Hello children, welcome back to our new session. Today we are going to learn about food we eat and drink in summer. Look at the first picture on the page. This is a mango. We eat sweet and juicy mangoes in summer. Children, look. This is ice cream. We eat ice cream in summer because it helps us feel cool and happy. Children, look. This is juice. We drink fresh juice in summer. Juice keeps our body fresh and active. Now see the Faluda on the page. Faluda is a cold and tasty drink. We enjoy Faluda in summer to feel cool. Look at the watermelon on the page. Watermelon is juicy and sweet. We eat watermelon in summer to stay cool. Now look at the coconut water. Coconut water is natural and very refreshing. We drink it in summer to feel fresh. Now look at the soft drinks. These drinks are cold and fizzy. People like to drink soft drinks in summer. Now look at the cold water. We must drink cold water in summer again and again to stay healthy. I hope you understand the food and drinks we have in summer from this page.